Hello everyone and welcome to Friday Celebration Assembly. We're excited, aren't we? We are. We're very excited because today is the last celebration assembly for this half term. Next week is October half-term holidays. Yes, we're so excited about all the wonderful things that y'all have done this week as well as this half-term. And we have lots of awards to give, don't we? We do. So should we get started? I think so. All right, you know where to go, Betty. Go sit over there. First, we have Going for Gold. In Leeds class, we have Evie for settling into nursery and coming in well. And David for always having a happy, smiley face. In York class, we have Flynn for super cutting skills when designing a face for a pumpkin. And Alice for remembering lots of sounds in Read Write Ink. In Hall class, we have Izzy for super leaf imprint into Play-Doh as part of the outdoor learning. And Rudy for settling in so well into his new class, making friends and working hard. In Nottingham class, we have Alfie for excellent work in maths on porthole models, and Tristan for excellent work in maths on porthole models. In Liverpool class, we have Morgan for super maths work in fact families, and Jacob GC for super dinosaur skeleton using art straws. In Cardiff class, we have Jacob B for super ideas when designing and making an earthquake-proof building. And Scarlett for settling in well in Cardiff class and joining in with lessons straight away. In Edinburgh class, we have Jacob for always working hard in lessons, and Dylan for being a good role model to another child. In Cambridge class, we have Ava for working so hard in maths this week. She's really tried her best. And Bailey for a great report about Day of the Dead. He used lots of information. In London class, we have Chloe W for good thinking when writing her Day of the Dead report, and Jessica M for doing a great job when checking Mrs. Hawk's calculations. In Oxford class, we have Julia for participating in all online lessons this half term. And Oxford class, for the whole of the class, for hard work and positive attitude to their learning this half term. In Chester class, we have Keegan for excellent recipe writing. Well done to all of these children. Give them a big hand. Well done. I am so proud of all of you as all the hard work has been paying off this half term. Now we have our Year of Being Healthy Awards. First in Leeds class, we have Annalise for doing Mrs. Prince's challenge by thinking of ways to keep safe. In York class, we have TJ for completing Mrs. Prince's challenges and explaining to stay safe, he needs to stay with his mommy. We also have Holly for remembering how to use the trim trail safely. In Hall class, we have Samuel for super hard work in PE lesson and using tactics in tag rugby. We also have Philippe for enjoying new learning at school and sharing this at home with his parents. In Nottingham class, we have SJ for great knowledge around how to stay healthy, and Ruby for an excellent explanation about a balanced diet. In Liverpool class, we have Ruby for super perseverance with throwing and catching in PE, and Harrison for super perseverance with throwing and catching in PE. In Cardiff class, we have Helena for healthy choices at lunchtime, and Lily for good teamworking skills and communication when making an earthquake-proof building. In Edinburgh class, we have Kiana for the progress she has made in her swimming this term, and Layton for putting in super effort in swimming and working hard in lessons. In Cambridge class, we have Key and Dwayne for trying a new food at lunchtime, and Dylan has done the same. In London class, we have Holly for having good conversations with her partner in topic, and Poppy for the same thing, for having a good conversation with her partner in topic. In Oxford class, we have Ellie for doing further research about the school topics at home to further her understanding, and Marta for doing further research about the school topics as well to help her understand better. In Lincoln class, we have Emmanuel, Benji, and Louie for using sharp knives safely when carving out the pumpkins this week. And in Chester class, we have Xavier for trying new foods. Another fantastic group of children. Well done. Well, Betty, come here, please. Come on, Betty. Come on. There we go. Betty and I are really proud of all of the children this half term. And we're also very proud of all the adults who have been helping our children to learn. We want to thank them, particularly because we know how hard you work. Children, have a great half term. Can't wait to see you after the half term because we have some amazing things planned for you. Have a good one.